Hi, I'm Mitch from Store 531 in Portland, Maine. Welcome to the lab. I've got two great products from Google that are gonna help you know who's at your door, even when you're not home. First, let's talk about the Google Nest Hello Video Doorbell. This thing has two-way audio, motion detection, and it's super easy to install. With the Hello Video Doorbell, you're able to get notifications on your phone when someone's at the front door. Oh, someone's at the door. It's Joetta. Looks like she forgot her keys again. That's what I love about the app. I can see who's at my front door, whether it's my parents, my mailman, my parents' mailman. Oh, I really need to get my own place. Next, I want to talk about the Google Nest Hub Max. This thing is going to be the hub for all your smart home devices. The Google Nest Hello Video Doorbell and the Google Nest Hub Max work great together. With the built-in voice assistant on the Google Nest Hub Max, you can see who is at your front door from any room in the house, hands-free. Hey, Google, show me who's at the front door.
Okay.
Whoops, Joetta's still there. Hey, Google, talk to the front door. Hey, Joetta, we're just wrapping up in here. We'll be out in just a minute, all right? Okay, thanks for stopping by the lab. We try the latest tech, share the good stuff with you. I gotta go. This way. Joetta, coming.